Okay, so what we have here today, guys, is the Smith & Wesson Model 686 Competitor with the 6-inch weighted barrel by the Performance Center. This is a heavy piece of machinery, and I'd like to give you some of the details about it today, simply because I was only able to find 3 videos that are in English on the internet about this model, and it is a model that deserves some recognition and descriptive details. So, I have taken this to the range, and it is a very sweet shooter. One of the most obvious features about it is this serious weighted barrel. It is a regular L frame with the round butt, included the round to square conversion grips by Hogue. But this very heavy weighted barrel is its finest feature, I believe. It comes with removable barrel weights, 5 of them, and each one is 15 grams, meaning a half an ounce, generally. And there are nylon spacers that you can put in place of the weights to balance it to your specifications. At 15 grams a piece, you put the 5 of them together and you're looking at 2.5 ounces of added weight. The total weight of this piece is 55 ounces. What this does is very seriously mitigates any of the perceived recoil from any ammunition you put through it. And with me, I'm recoil sensitive due to my disability, and I'm always in the search for a powerful revolver that helps mitigate recoil on its own, and a 55 ouncer is definitely in that category. It has the usual accoutrements of the Performance Center, meaning the trigger is tuned. It has nice action in double action, smooth, and in single action it is very crisp and very light with almost no movement of the trigger. The trigger does have a over travel stop, if I can get that in the, and it's chromed out along with the chromed out hammer. It has a integral Picatinny rail up top, upon which I will certainly be installing the Vortex Venom Red Dot probably this afternoon, and I'll do a whole separate review on the Red Dot if anyone's interested. The sights are driftable dovetail Patridge black sight and LPA fine adjustable rear sight, square blade, adjustable for elevation and windage. It is a very nice, smooth shooter, as are pretty much everything that comes out of the Performance Center. So I would like to do some range footage. The range had a few too many people at it last time I was there to get some decent footage, but it definitely deserves a place in your safe and out at the range, hopefully more often. It does not have a cut for moon clips cylinder, but it does have the chamfered chambers. So it is easy to quick reload with a speed loader or individually, but it is a nice competitive shooter. I oftentimes compete with my wife bullseye shooting, and she uses the 617 22 long rifle by Smith & Wesson. Similar build as this giant hunk of machinery. And if any of you are familiar, that 617 is like zero recoil shooting 22s with such a heavy barrel. That's kind of what this one feels like with 38 special ammo, 130 grain. And even with the high power 357 cartridge, it is manageable by these hands that are quite admittedly less strong and functional than the average shooter. So if you have got, you know, a whole lot of money on your hands and you're interested in upgrading your Smith & Wesson family, the 686 Competitor 6-inch weighted barrel by the Performance Center is definitely worth looking into. Next video will be out on the range. See ya.